we got our Knitcrate yarn, and let's see what we got. How exciting. Oh, very nice. The blues and purples. This is the one I love. So, isn't this pretty? It's from Creative Grandma Audine Woods. Walls. Audine Walls. So Audine Walls Shine Sport colorway Sky. It's 80% superwash merino, 20% tencel, and it's a sport weight. It has 350 yards, so I have two of 350 yards each. And I always use a larger needle than what they. It's machine wash cold, and you can put it in the dryer. Wow, I don't do that, but still you can. Oh, okay, let's see. I have a button. Look how pretty that is. And let's see what they have here. Inspirations booklet. Let's see. It's oh, okay. Glenda Winkelman, Creative Grandma. Nice. Okay, so this is the membership yarn. This is the one we got, and this is the sock yarns. Very pretty. So there's the Flirt, Energize Me, the Sprout, All Natural, and the Sky Chill Out, which is the one that we got. Very pretty. Very nice, and they always give you nice ideas on what to do with them. See, she has a hat and fingerless gloves. Yeah, there's another one here. So let's see. Audience, the hand warmers. Isn't that cute? So, okay, let's see what I'm going to be doing with this. And I'll let you know.